But to your production question, I think for surely in America, like they are, you know, Google Wallet, Apple Wallet, but also some startup wallets are rolling out in production, like California, for example, not just California, but like different states. I'm sure there's a list on the internet. So yes, we do see them in production. And we also see that in the standards work, I think, because the contributions and requirements and feedback we're getting in the standard space are very real now, right? Like this is the deployment problems we're having, like can be improved. And within the EU context, I think there are countries that are having like the closed beta, like with real users already. So like each member states are trying. As I said, we have the deadline. And yeah, not like large scale production that anyone can download, but like, yeah, there are steps that are being taken for sure.
That's very cool. So after you guys got off stage yesterday, did people stick around to ask you questions, or have you gotten questions from people who were in the audience? And what kind of anything very insightful?
I think people get very excited that I mentioned tenders.
Yeah, we have heavy standards.
But it's true, as I said, right? We need to build an ecosystem. So we need help from everyone. And as we've been saying, the value of the wallet increases with the amount of data that goes in and the places where you can use it. So we really need this like larger excitement from the industry, basically. And it's interesting because Google Wallet made an announcement that they're deploying all those protocols. And they mentioned huge relying parties like Amazon, CVS, and whatnot. And like it's interesting because we want those big relying parties in Europe to take this wallet seriously too, right? So I think that's kind of I think at least the questions I hear a lot is like, how did we get there?